Welcome back to Drive Royale, the place where extreme machines meet luxury dreams. And today we're diving into something absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine the toughness of a 6i off-road monster combined with the comfort of a high-end luxury apartment on wheels. This is the 2026 Toyota HyperMax 666 Motorhome, a concept that feels like it came straight out of the future, but is built for people who want to travel anywhere without limits. At first glance, the HyperMax 666 looks unstoppable. The aggressive stance, towering ground clearance, and 3-axle setup instantly tell you this motorhome is not just meant for highways. This is a vehicle designed to conquer deserts, snowfields, rocky mountains, and deep forests while carrying your entire lifestyle with you. Toyota's design language here is bold and muscular, with sharp LED lighting, a massive front grille, and reinforced body panels that scream durability and confidence. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota HyperMax 6. The 6 is expected to feature a next-generation hybrid turbo diesel powertrain, delivering insane torque for heavy loads and extreme terrain. With all 6 wheels powered, advanced locking differentials, and intelligent terrain management, this motorhome adapts to sand, mud, snow, and rock at the touch of a button. Despite its size, Toyota's engineering focuses on smooth handling, stability, and fuel efficiency, making long-distance adventures surprisingly comfortable. Step inside and the story completely changes from rugged to ultra-luxurious. The interior of the HyperMax 6x6 feels more like a premium hotel suite than a motorhome. High-quality leather seating, soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows create a warm and modern atmosphere. Every inch of space is intelligently designed to feel open, practical and elegant, even when you're miles away from civilization. The living area is spacious and flexible, featuring a large sofa that converts into an additional bed, a smart entertainment system with a massive display, and surround sound audio for movie nights under the stars. Large windows bring in natural light during the day, while blackout blinds ensure privacy and comfort at night. Whether you're parked in the mountains or by the beach, the view becomes part of your living room. The kitchen in the HyperMax 6.6 is fully equipped for real cooking on the road. You get an induction cooktop, microwave oven, full-size refrigerator, smart storage cabinets, and even a compact dishwasher. Everything is secured for off-road travel, so nothing moves when the terrain gets rough. This setup allows you to cook fresh meals anywhere, without sacrificing convenience or quality. Moving towards the bedroom, Toyota takes comfort seriously. The master bed is designed for long journeys, offering premium mattress support, reading lights, USB charging ports, and overhead storage. Some versions even include a second bunk or guest sleeping area, making it perfect for families or adventure teams. Climate control ensures the interior stays comfortable in both extreme heat and freezing cold. The bathroom is another highlight of the 2026 Toyota HyperMax 6.6 Motorhome. It includes a full-size shower, modern toilet system, sink with mirror, and efficient water management technology. Advanced filtration and recycling systems help conserve water, allowing you to stay off-grid for longer periods without worry. Technology plays a huge role in this motorhome. A central touchscreen controls lighting, temperature, water levels, power usage, and security systems. Solar panels on the roof, high-capacity batteries, and a backup generator ensure you always have power, even when parked in the middle of nowhere. Advanced navigation and satellite connectivity keep you connected, no matter how far you travel. Safety is also a major focus. Toyota equips the HyperMax 6.6 with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, and off-road trail cameras. These systems make driving such a large vehicle easier, safer, and more enjoyable for both experienced and new drivers. What truly sets the 2026 Toyota HyperMax 6.6 Motorhome apart is its philosophy. This is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle machine. It's built for explorers, digital nomads, overlanders, and anyone who dreams of freedom without compromise. You don't need hotels, you don't need fixed plans, and you don't need to worry about road conditions. Wherever you want to go, this motorhome is ready. So if you believe adventure should be limitless and luxury should travel with you, the Toyota HyperMax 6X6 might just be the ultimate motorhome of the future. Let us know what you think about this extreme machine, and if you'd take it on your next journey around the world. This is Drive Royale, where your road to royalty begins.